Recipes. The app contains a searchable collection of recipes that have been created by the team at OPTIFAST to make it easy for our customers to enjoy healthy, tasty and program-friendly meals. You can peruse the collection from the menu bar, or you can add these recipes to your meal plan from the My Meals screen. For more information on adding recipes, please watch the My Meals tutorial. The OPTIFAST app is designed to make keeping to your personal program as simple as possible. Therefore, the default list of recipes shown to you will be filtered by three things: your mini goal level, your dietary preferences, and, importantly, your allergy requirements. By default, recipes that are not permitted by either your mini goal level or your personal dietary requirements will be hidden from view. If for some reason you wish to override these filters, you can do so from the Filter menu. Simply tick or untick the available filters and then tap Apply. Caution: automatic filters are there to protect your health and optimise results. Overriding automatic filters is at your own risk. Adjusting filter settings may present you with recipe options which contravene your dietary and/or allergy needs. Please check ingredients and allergen declarations on OPTIFAST products and all food packaging to ensure they're suitable for you. The recipes and food options are divided into categories: OPTIFAST products, morning meals, afternoon meals, evening meals, fruit serves, vegetable serves, and dairy serves. To view a recipe, tap a category, and then pick a recipe. To help you manage portion control, all of the recipes are a single serve and contain a list of ingredients, step-by-step directions, and nutritional information. To view OPTIFAST product details, tap OPTIFAST products, then choose a product. The app contains some product information. However, please refer to the OPTIFAST website for full product details. To learn how to add recipes to your meal plan, please watch the My Meals tutorial.